We are all gathered in this room because we share this commitment to offer an outstanding experience to tourists who come to Sri Lanka. We are here to do our part in ensuring that we understand the requirements of this new normal, that we are prepared and that we rise up to this challenge. This is the third such event that we have organized, and we plan on taking this nationwide to ensure all tourism stakeholders are made aware of the guidelines and are very prepared for the opening of the tourism industry.
Guidelines are all about that. Although it's about 80 pages, I just wanted to give you the encouragement it's all about the things that we used to do, but of course doing it with little bit of discipline.
This is not a training program, this is an awareness program so that you all can take this back to your staff and try to explain to them the thinking behind why we have to have these guidelines.
What we did was just try to connect the health and safety requirements that we all should follow under COVID conditions into the things that we practice in operations on day-to-day basis.
MDF's goal is to contribute to a tourism sector that is inclusive, that benefits Sri Lankan men and women in all corners of the country, and it's also sustainable so that the assets, that the beauty of this country is there to benefit Sri Lankans in many more generations to come. In order to succeed, we need to be convincing that any tourist who comes to Sri Lanka, they are safe and they are able to hold a lot of confidence in our facilities, in our airports, in our establishment.
From a Sri Lanka tourism perspective from the authority, I want to thank all of you, and I know the pain all of you all are going, and I share the pain with the situation that the country is facing with lack of tourists. So many people have been impacted, and I can tell you from my perspective and my team's perspective, we will do everything that is humanly possible to support each and every single one of you in the industry.
Today's event was very nicely put together and briefly summarizing things that we need to do. This is the new normal. We have to do it to get back to the line, because right now we have suffered a lot for the past 2 years.